muscles. Yeah!
Show me your muscles. Show me your muscles. It's universal. Even a toddler knows what to do. That's because no matter what age, we all want to be strong, like a superhero. I've been lifting weights and doing push-ups for 40 years, and yes, it is nice to have some definition and tone to show off in the spring and summer, but more important, I love that I'm a physically strong woman. Strength is such a valuable part of a fit lifestyle, and today I'm going to share with you my arm workout that will get your muscles show-off worthy, but even more important, you're gonna get strong. I'm gonna share with you 3 exercises that I do to create the balance in our arms. We have our biceps, we have shoulders, and we have triceps. So it's all about balancing those 3 areas. So let's start with the bicep curl, shoulder width apart, your feet, and we're gonna keep those elbows in, and we're just gonna take it up and down. Watch how slowly I'm lifting. That's the important thing. 1, 2, 3, up, 1, 2, 3, down. Just like this. The next is overhead press. You're gonna start weights right at your shoulders, and you're gonna lift up, close in at the top, and then out, and up, and out. Keep these weights close at the top because that's safer. You don't want to go out like this. So out and up. And the last one is tricep kickback. You're going to stick that bottom out and keep your elbow right into your side, kick back, and you see how I try to glue my upper arm to my side, and just work like a little hinge from your elbow down. This is a great one for triceps. And those are the 3 I would recommend. 2 to 3 times a week, 10 to 12 reps, 2 to 3 sets, and you're going to use a weight that you can lift 10 to 12 times, and it's getting hard on that 10th, 11th, and 12th time. Once that gets too easy, you increase your weight. Our next variation for resistance training is with a resistance band, and I love these. I just started using these last year, and what a great way to get a workout when you don't have to lug weights around. Same thing, you're going to step on the band with one leg, and you can increase your resistance just by giving yourself more or less band. You can increase and decrease resistance. Nice and slow. You're going to work one side of the overhead press, and then other side, of course. And then you're going to do bicep curls. Same thing, up, down, nice and slow. You can do this watching TV, throw this in your suitcase, do this on a trip. So convenient. And then give yourself a shorter piece of band for the tricep kickback. Just keep stepping on that, pulling it down, and you'll get, oh, that's too much resistance. Okay, there we go. Same thing, just a little bit more convenient. Resistant band, go get one today. And the third way, of course, is my all-time favorite, and that's using your body weight for resistance to get strong. You do push-ups on your knees, you can do mermaid push-ups in your bed, you can do regular push-ups if you're really getting strong. What a great way to stay strong anywhere, anytime. Now, besides this workout I just shared with you, there's another advanced exercise I do several times a week, and I've been doing this for 40 years. It's a body weight exercise that I would say separates the women from the girls and the men from the boys. I'll see you at the park, and I'll show you what it is.
Here we go for 10.
first of all, this is Arlie, and you are 2. And this is Cyrus, and you are 3. Show me your muscles. Ah, you know what? Did you know that you are showing me a special muscle? Do it again, Cyrus. And you know what those muscles are called? They're called biceps. Can you say that?
Biceps.
Biceps. Here's how you remember.
Biceps.
Do that. Bicep. Good. And how we're going to work our muscles today, we're going to do a trick called the crab. And to work your arms. And it's like this. So Cyrus already knows how to do it. Good, Cyrus. And now good, Arlie does too. You just push up and you feel it in your arms. Can you feel that in your arms?
Yeah.
That is so good. We can walk, like a little crab walk. Can you just try to walk a little bit? Just walk, move your hands, Cyrus. Good. And Arlie, come back this way. Come on, little crabs. You're going to be my little crabs. Crab babies. Come on, I'm Mama Crab. Y'all are baby crabs. Good. Can we do our legs up like this? Kick. Oh, that's so good. Kick that bottom up. Good, Cyrus. Good, Arlie. Both feet. Switch feet like this, like we're marching. March. Keep your bottom up, Cyrus. Kind of like a dinosaur. Okay, now we got a special trick. This was called a tabletop crab.
I love this song.
Oh, well, guess what? We're gonna put Chip, our little cup, on your table. Try to put that cup on Pamaw's little table. Put it right here. See, here's my table. Put it right here on my table. Oh, we can do it like that. Can count to 10? 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 16. Oh, it's going to be long. 18, 19. Because that last. 20. Oh, that was so good. You want to try it?
Now, Mrs. Pam is doing arm videos with all different types of what you can do to get stronger. And today, on the arm video, I'm going to show you how important your arms are by doing some chin-ups. So, I'm going to climb up the chin-up bar and show you. See that?
So good.
That was good.
Pull. Oh, that was nice. 1. Can you do another one? 2. Good. Teach your children what you love. Share with them your passion, and they just might love it too.